Hey everyone, welcome to our first episode of the Mortgage Intelligently Deal Desk, also known as the MIDD. This is my partner Amir Garami. He's here with me today, and he's going to talk about a transaction that he did earlier this week, where he not only was able to help our client with financing to getting to their home, but at the same time rescue his real estate partner's commission. So without further ado, Amir, go for it.
Hey, Ray, how's it going? Thanks for the introduction. Yeah, guys, so I want to talk to you about a deal that we just helped the family close. This transaction took place in California. It was really unique. It happened in Aptos, California at a condotel. And it was a very difficult transaction. It had been with other lending partners who were unsuccessful in closing it. We were able to, as you mentioned, close it, get the family into the home that they wanted, and rescue not just the listing agent's commission, but also our selling partner's commission as well, too.
That's excellent. So tell me a little bit about what some of the obstacles were, Amir. I mean, was it the fact that they were self-employed? Was it because of the property type? Was it income situation? Like, what were a few of the obstacles with the transaction? Why no one else could do it and you were able to help them?
Yeah, great question. There's three huge obstacles. Initially, the biggest obstacle was the fact that this was a condotel. As you may know, or if you listeners don't know out there, condotels are extremely difficult to finance. Generally, 90% of condotels take place with a cash transaction. In this circumstances, our borrower did not have sufficient cash to buy cash, so he needed the financing help. Second obstacle was this borrower owned a business where his employment was a cash-based business, and he took advantage of all the rights that you have under all the different tax codes and wrote everything off that he could, which allowed his income to be very little, not enough to qualify for this loan. Now, the final, I guess the nail in the coffin type of deal was a forbearance. He had requested a COVID forbearance and had not made a payment in over a year on his principal residence. So that trifecta of circumstances made it extremely difficult for other lenders to close it.
Wow, that's some serious obstacles there. I'm glad you were able to take care of that client.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, what's that? What was that?
I said me too.
Oh yeah, for sure. So that's a quick showcase of our MCF exclusive portfolio products, and we want to bring you a video on a weekly basis, a short video within 5 minutes or so, to really discuss some of the transactions where we're able to help our referral partners and our clients get into some properties that they would otherwise not be able to do it. One thing with this particular property, Amir, that you didn't get into, and I'm not sure what the answer is yet because I'm not familiar with the transaction, is, sure, what were the down payment requirements, for example? I know condo details, for example. I know for a fact, because I've done them myself, but a lot of times, they require huge down payments. Almost, like you said, most of it is cash, right? 90% you mentioned. So when in this particular situation, what was the down payment requirement?
Yeah, great question, Ray. So we were able to get the deal done with only a 25% down payment. Wow. You had asked me earlier, how come we were able to do it and most lenders were not? Again, it's our portfolio program. We did allow the lower down payment of only 25%. But yes, generally it's either cash or a substantial down payment to the tune of 40, 50%.
Wow, that's great to hear. So guys listening out there, condotels, typically 90% of them are cash deals. We were able to do it, and Amir was able to help his client out with only 25% down. That's a great takeaway for this particular transaction. Another one here really quick is I just want to know, Amir, how were you able to win this transaction? How did it come to you?
Yeah, absolutely. So fortunately, this resort is up in the Aptos area of California. The selling agent is a good partner. He had called us about a year and a half ago because he was having a really hard time getting his deals financed, and spoke to us and asked us, hey, can you guys do these? And I said, yeah, all day long, just send them over. We were able to win one with him and show him how we do it and the service level that we provide. and it's been an evergreen relationship there from. If you guys are interested in a condo, this is a condotel in that section of California, please give me a call. I'll be happy to put you in touch with him. He's a very good agent and serves that area exclusively. But that's how we won it over. It was our relationships and our service-based attitude of delivering results quickly.
That's excellent. Thanks, Amir, for sharing that. That's great to know. All right, everyone. I think this is pretty much it. We're going to wrap up our first episode here. It was a quick overview of one of the programs that Amir just shared with us. You guys could reach us. All of our contact information is below. We'll be bringing this to you guys on a weekly basis through different social media platforms. Anyone out there has any questions about any additional programs, obviously feel free to reach out to Amir or to myself. And again, our contact information is below. Any last words, Amir?
Yeah, guys, just subscribe. This is our first one. So if it was a little rough, forgive us. But we hope to bring you guys value. And if you guys have any questions or want us to discuss any particular deals in depth, just send us an email. All our contact is below, and we'll go from there. But thank you for joining us.
All right, everyone. See you guys next week.
Take good care.